Now let's talk about the basic functionality of this. Of course, this long cable like this engages this right there. It's kind of a Z-pulley system. And then of course you have the saw blade. What's very unique about this is that it's got this hook. So as you are hooking onto the blade and going back and forth like this of the branch, you're not slipping off of the branch, but rather the branch gets caught on the tip of the blade right there. So now let's actually see this in action. I'm not going to deploy it all the way. I'll do that in just a moment. I just kind of wanted to show you this feature here. I like to wrap it like this. Oh, that just sliced right through there like butter. And so they've got these wing clasps. So if you've ever had like a tripod before for a video camera, these clasps are just like that. So we're got to do that. There we go. Oh, it's got a locking mechanism. That's convenient. Oh, that's cool. That is really cool. Let's see how far it goes and see if it actually slips out all the way. Oh, see that little red mark right there? That's indicative that we're gonna go too far. So let's put it back some, and it locks right into place. That is cool. And that's only halfway. So let's continue, shall we? We're gonna push this all the way out. Wow. Oh, there's the red mark right there. There we go. And look at how tall this thing is. It's so lightweight but sturdy. I think it's made out of fiberglass or something. So we're way up there. Let's try to get that. We're gonna hook it, and then with one hand we're gonna pull. That's amazing. Okay, so to put it back like this, you just push down this little lever and it locks in, clips like that, and in less than 5 seconds, it is all ready for storage in your shed. That's amazing.